Have you ever looked at your monthly bank statement and felt a knot in your stomach? It could be that $20 charge for ChatGPT every single month, or the $250 per month for Gemini 3 Ultra. It could be the extra fees for image generators, video makers, or coding assistants. Or maybe just the frustration of realizing that while everyone is using AI, nobody is actually profiting from it. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, if you wanted the best AI on the planet, you were stuck with two terrible options. Option 1. Pay hundreds of dollars a month to massive corporations for subscriptions that bleed you dry. Or Option 2. Stick to the free versions that are slow, outdated, and hallucinate more than they help. Well, Option 1 is a waste of your hard-earned cash, and life's too short to settle for the dumbed-down results of Option 2. Lucky for you, starting today, the game has changed. There's a better, faster, and radically cheaper option. It's called GeminAi 3, and it's not just another chatbot. While everyone is using ChatGPT, you can go a step further and get ahead of your competition with the latest AI-powered tool just released by Google. Yes, I'm talking about Gemini 3. It trashes ChatGPT in any real-world testing. It's by far the best premium chatbot right now. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Google AI Ultra plan that's usually $250 a month and includes Gemini 3 Ultra for the world's best 24/7 virtual assistant, NanoBanana Pro for image editing and generation, DeepThink for the best possible software creation, currently writes 70% of Google's new code, Notebook LM for advanced book, essays, article writing, VO 3.1 for video generation that's taking YouTube Shorts and TikTok by storm, Lyria for creating human-sounding music with lyrics and instruments, Flow for cinematic video intros and outros, Whisk for turning a prompt into a video. The tech inside? Absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about the same $250 per month tech that powers Google's most advanced systems. It hooks straight into Launchpad, ClickBank, Warrior, JVZoo, plus 17 more platforms, and even comes with YouTube Premium, no ads, and over 30 terabytes of storage. It's normally $250 per month if you buy it straight from Google, but today you can have it for a low one-time fee. It uses Gemini 3 Ultra for 24/7 assistance, NanoBanana Pro for the world's best image editing and generating, DeepThink to write 100% of software code automatically, and VO 3.1 to generate cinematic videos that are taking TikTok by storm. This is real power, no restrictions, no monthly fees. And the best part? A commercial license is included, so you can sell everything you create. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software dashboard. Step 2. Insert your text prompt and feed it to our all-in-one AI generator. Step 3. Watch it turn your prompt into reality in seconds. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There are 0 limits. Use NanoBanana Pro for image editing and generation, and sell them on stock sites. Use Notebook LM for advanced book, essays, and article writing in minutes. Use Whisk for turning a prompt into a video. Use Gemini DeepThink to build entire affiliate websites that generate commissions on autopilot. You write directly to this AI made by Google and simply tell it what you want, and it does it. No coding skills, no video editing or graphics experience, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, and it loads from your phone. And it feels like you're living in the future. What if you could cash in on the trillion-dollar AI frenzy without risking a single dime on subscription fees? With GeminAi 3, now you can. It allows you to literally create value out of thin air, or more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good that thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. But here's the best part. You can now. Stop paying between $20 per month and $250 per month for a paid AI. Stop paying designers or coders for work they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or confusing dev tools. GeminAi 3 renders them obsolete. You could become the next big app developer. Today you build a plugin, tomorrow a mobile game. Starting from just one idea and zero technical skills. Dominate the search rankings with SEO content. Promote your business with videos made by VO. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want and GeminAi 3 creates the perfect asset, no matter how complex your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting coders and writers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You'll be amazed. I know I was. If you went straight to Google, this AI Ultra plan costs $250 a month. That's $3,000 a year, but today you aren't paying that. It's available at a massive discount for opening day only. You pay once and you use it forever, but you must hurry. This page is closing down soon, so act now and secure your spot for GeminAi 3. Stop paying monthly fees. Start dominating with Google's best AI. Click the button below right now.